Copy link from the description. Download Oracle Database 11GR2 Express Edition for Windows x64. You need Oracle account to download the database. If you don't have it, click on Create Account. Fill all the details. You can mention student in the job title field and complete sign-up process. Download will start after signing in with Oracle account. Go to your Downloads folder once downloading is completed. Right-click Downloaded zip file and extract files. You will find setup.exe file into extracted folder. Click on that setup file to begin installation. Click Next. Read all the terms and click on I accept all the term in the license agreement, then click Next. Enter the database password you want and make a note of it as you will not be able to change it later. Click Next and then click Install. Database installation will begin and complete in few minutes. Click Finish. Database installation is completed. You can find SQL Developer configuration in our next video. Thank you for watching video. Please do like, share and subscribe.